In this video I'm showing how to reset a Cisco wireless access point to factory defaults. I have 4 different models of access points here. The models are a 2702, 2802, 9120, and 9166. And at the time of making this video, this should just about cover what you could expect to see in an environment running Cisco wireless. The factory reset procedure is basically identical for all models, with the exception that there are some slight differences for the oldest AP, the 2702. But in any case, it's really simple, so we'll just jump right into it. For the 2802, 9120, and 9166, if you can get to the command line either through the console port or through an SSH session, you can reset them to factory defaults by running this one-line command. That command is capwap ap erase all. This command will erase all of the configurations on the AP and automatically reboot it, and when it comes back online, it will be in factory defaults. You can also reset the access points to factory defaults using the mode button. I'll show how to do that on the 9120. When I connect to the console port and open up a terminal program, you can see that the access point has a config on it and it's named test9120. To reset it to defaults, you just have to remove power so that the AP turns off. Then reconnect power and immediately press and hold the mode button. It's not required for the reset to work, but it's helpful to have the console cable connected so that you can follow along. And you can see that we have this timer here along with the text that says keep the button pressed for 20 seconds for a full reset. There's not a lot to see here, so I'll speed this up. Once the timer gets to 20 seconds, I'm going to release and the AP will reboot. And from this point on, it's the normal boot up process, just like the AP is brand new out of the box. So if you have a wireless controller on your network, the AP should be going through all of the normal discovery routines to find its way home and join it. I don't have a wireless controller in this lab, but the AP is booted up now, and you can see that we can sign into it with the default credentials of Cisco, and the host name is set to the AP MAC address name, showing that it's been reset to factory defaults. I went through and tested, and these steps are exactly the same for the 9166, as well as the 2802. For our old man in the group, the 2702, it's a little bit different, but mostly the same. On this AP, you'll give it power and press and hold the mode button, same thing there. But if you're watching the console, it doesn't give you the timer on this model. It will let you know that it sees the button is pressed and that it's waiting for it to be released, just not for how long. Instead, you can just watch the LED, and once you've held the button down long enough for a full factory reset, it turns red and you can let go. At this point, the AP has been reset to factory defaults, but it might stay at this prompt instead of booting up. So you can remove and reconnect power, and it should just boot up normally, but with a blank config. Alright, so that's about all there is to it. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.